What? Gotcha!
Oh, the idiot! Idiot! Get him!
Leave him! He's a lost cause! He's gone forever!
I'm over here! You could grab my hand!
There's nothing we could have done.
Oh, now that's cute.
Come in, Phantom. You've got the all clear.
They'll never know what hit them.
That's right. Yeah, I've got a...
Zero noise detected.
Oh... Preparations are nearly complete.
You imbecile. Have fun exploding.
Baby! Oh, what's the rush?
Got to get out of here. Let us go. No, 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 no.
Gargamel approved grade A, first class high octane freeze balls. Freeze ball, freeze ball, freeze ball, freeze ball. Well, I assume they'll still work if I don't shout freeze ball, but we'll never know. Freeze ball, revenge!
Well, if it isn't heavy. There has not been an incident here in 50 years, and the day you show up this happens. You are going to regret everything.